Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to fix common radio issues in your Nissan Altima. It can be really frustrating when your radio stops working, whether it's completely dead, has no sound, or is acting erratically. We'll cover several troubleshooting steps, from simple resets to checking electrical components. Many owners experience problems like the radio not turning on or the volume control becoming unresponsive. Let's get your audio system back in working order. Let's start with some quick and easy fixes. A soft reset can often resolve minor glitches. Simply turn off the radio, then press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until it resets. Some Altima models allow you to access a hidden service menu by holding the one button and rotating the volume knob. Also, always check your fuses. There are usually 2 or 3 fuses for the audio system, often a 10 amp and 2 20 amp fuses, found in the fuse box under the steering wheel or in the engine bay. If the basic steps don't work, it's time for deeper diagnostics. You might need to carefully remove the radio unit to inspect the wiring harness for any loose, frayed, or burned connections. If you're experiencing distorted sound or no sound from specific speakers, testing each speaker for shorts or damage is a good next step. For vehicles with a factory amplifier, often located under a seat or in the trunk, ensure it's receiving power and functioning correctly, as a faulty amplifier can cause a complete loss of sound. Sometimes the problem goes beyond simple fixes. If you've tried everything and your radio still isn't working, a software update from a Nissan dealership might be necessary. In some cases, the head unit itself could be faulty and require replacement. Complex electrical issues, such as damaged wiring or a shorted speaker, can be challenging to diagnose and repair. For these situations, it's best to consult a certified automotive technician who has specialized tools and expertise to ensure a proper and safe repair.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.